welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to show you how to clean up a scanned image, particularly a flat or an illustration. Today I'm using a flat, but it can be applied the same way for an illustration. So let's get cleaning started. You get it. Alright, so here's my scanned image. As you can see, there's a few lines and smudges. That tends to happen in general. It depends on the kind of pen you're using when drawing out your sketch. And I just used a pen, so it got all, gross. But the good thing about scanned images is that they are brightened pretty much really like there's a contrast in the image, so it's really bright. So you don't really have to worry about making your image brighter. You just got to worry about cleaning it up. So today's image is literally just cleaning it up. I'm also cleaning up this image because if you look at the photo on the left, I used 3 separate pieces of paper, cut it and taped it together because I didn't want to scan it 3 times. And that's totally doable, but you also have to realize the end result is going to show a line. So little tidbits, think about that before scanning a sketch or an image in general. Anyway, let's get started. So I am going to use Photoshop for today's tutorial. You can use any software program that has an eraser. You don't need Photoshop. But all you do is drop your file into Photoshop and ta-da, there's your scanned image. On the left, well, let me expand. On the left is all the tools you can use in Photoshop. Today we're not going to mess with all of them, but you can definitely, when you have time, go and play around with them. Learn about the different techniques you can use. Today we're using an eraser. That's it. But if you click on the tools, it's also going to show you like a little tutorial. And I totally encourage you to practice, use the little tutorials, and learn more about how to use Photoshop because they're always updating and showing and trying to advance the program. So the more you practice, the more you learn about their features and the better you get at it. So use those tools. But with the eraser tool on top, you're going to notice the eraser size, and that's all you're going to really need to mess with is the eraser size in this little tutorial. So as you can see, the little circle in my little cursor, that's the size of my eraser. So you can make it really big, you can make it really small. See, here's an example that it could be really huge. We don't need it that huge though. And then you can also make it really tiny, and it depends. I kind of make it tiny every once in a while. It just depends how technical you want to get when erasing everything. But that's really it. You get your eraser, play with the sizes, and start erasing away. And I do zoom in and out to help catch all the little, little smudges that are there, especially when it comes to the inside of the flat design. But it's up to you again how technical you want to get. If you want to get every little smudge, every little detail, that's on you. But when you feel satisfied, you are done. And when you're done, you're ready to save. And when you're done, you go to File, click Save As. Where you save it's up to you. I choose my computer. And then make sure it says PNG or JPEG on the Save As type because sometimes it says Photoshop and you just want to make sure you're saving it as an image. And then you pick your file size for your image. I usually do the fastest because to me that's the easiest. But you pick your file size, hit OK, and then when you're done picking the file size, I want you to realize it's up to you what you think looks good. So the one on the left is the original and the one on the right is the final product. I think the right looks better because you don't see the line, but that's me. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos, and like always, I'm just Joss'n. Bye.